This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by Greg King and Company. Enjoy life along the third green. Move-in ready, 2,500 plus square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, great bonus room, den, and 2-car garage. Custom wood floors, granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a comfortable floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Relax on the back deck barbecuing or in the hot tub. A popular vacation rental makes this a great second home investment. Enjoy the close proximity to town and the amenities of the San Juan Golf CC, including clubhouse, tennis courts and driving range. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg King and Company at 360-298-0390.